Our name MONAT comes from modern nature. MONAT is a top direct selling company. We're number one when it comes to shampoos and conditioners. We offer skincare, wellness, body.
This is a direct sales company, and we help others to achieve a lot of goals, financially, personal, and professional.
We are very passionate about innovation, trying to launch new products and access new markets.
Our success is basically our culture, giving back to the community and what we help and how we help our customers continue to grow and have a better life. In our past environment, we ran out of space. Our facility was close to 170% of capacity. In addition to that, our whole process was completely manual. So we had people manually closing boxes. We had people making boxes. Close to 60 man hours a day just went into making boxes.
I used to have to memorize the products and the location and the amount that I have to bring to a certain location. So I have to write it down or memorize it.
So it was a very inefficient process, which very costly, and it wasn't very customer friendly. So our CEO at the time identified these bottlenecks that we had in our day-to-day processes, and they reached out to Alpine supply chain for a solution.
We engaged with MONAT to develop a strategic master plan to look at their space equipment, labor, and control over a 4-year period.
The biggest goal that we had was to improve our throughput on a daily basis to meet the growing market.
The good news is that MONAT already had SAP, but they did not have the EWM solution turned on. They asked us if we could run their business with their EWM solution, and the answer was yes. That's when we actually called in Barcodes.
Well, I mean, really the first step in their digital transformation process was to label all the warehouse racking. Coming from a paper-based system to a barcoded system required us to decorate the warehouse. So we needed to come up with a naming structure that would work with SAP WM. The Barcodes Inc. technical team worked closely with MONAT Global and with Alpine to come up with the right labeling nomenclature. And then we created all the rack labels in batch ahead of time to be applied to all of the different rack locations.
Barcodes help us test a lot of devices to come up with the best options, especially for the printers and the scanners.
MONAT implemented SAP EWM with the Honeywell RF devices, doing directed put away, doing triggered replenishments, doing triggered case picking, and directed work. That was a huge benefit, but the cartonization, picking into the outbound carton, eliminating all the packing was another big benefit.
When talking about the equipment that we chose, we tested different units with the barcodes, and we decided to come up with a CK65. For the vehicle application, we chose the VM1A. On the other side, we had another scanner that we needed, and we chose the high performance scanning, which is the Granite scanner. And lastly, the printer PM43 Honeywell, which has shown already it's been a fast and reliable printer.
We went from 80 lines per hour to 260 lines per hour.
We've come up from orders per man hours around 20, and we're now up to the 60s.
An additional benefit to implementing the barcode system is order accuracy.
The inventory is automatically updated, and we can guarantee inventory accuracy. That means that the inventory that is in our system is the same that we have the racks and bins here in the warehouse.
One of the challenges we always had in the past was the training or getting our associates ready to select our orders. With the enhancements that we made with Alpine, the training is basically within an hour, the associates are working by themselves, fulfilling orders. So the turnaround for training is night and day, it's an hour.
I would definitely recommend Barcodes because of their experience and their problem-solving mindset.
Alpine's supply chain to me was life-saving because of the sheer fact that, first of all, they understood the market, but they took the time to understand our challenges. They listened and they worked with us as a team.